Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VYST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis several times in the past, although it's been, I think, about a week or so since the last update, but that is where the green line is coming from, and that segues into the first update that needs to be done, and that is just based on a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance, and that is exactly what played out today. So that early portion of the day, the price broke down below the 6-cent mark, and then at that point is where you'd expect it to act as resistance, and that is exactly where it did indeed act as resistance. I'm not saying the price can never get back up above 6. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price did struggle with that area after breaking down below it. So in the near term, 6 cents is going to be that initial area of resistance to watch. In the event the price can push back up through there, the next key level that you would want to turn your attention to would be the purple line, which is the 50-period moving average, but one hurdle at a time. And like I said, the near-term hurdle at 6 cents, and then you can focus more so on the 50-period moving average hurdle. As far as levels of support are concerned, I'm not sure if it hit it exactly, but we're about to find out here. There's a very key level that has been doing a great job of holding. So it didn't hit it exactly, but right down there at 5 cents is very important level. And like I said, right there, the price bounced immediately directly off it. Now let's actually, that was a bad choice on my part. Let's do this. So right there, you can see that the price bounced directly off it. And right here, did the price hit it exactly? It didn't, but I think we can also all agree that the price certainly got within the general area of the 5-cent mark. So good to see that that once again acted as support. And the reason I'm, kind of calling that level so important is if you give more context here, you can see that the price, if it were to drop below that level, that'd be putting it, there's an old annotation I can get rid of. That would be putting it down in, levels that haven't been seen since basically back in mid-March. So well over a month again. Once again, not saying that's what's going to occur, just trying to kind of explain why, I'm being a little bit more dramatic about 5 cents and why that level is important. But so far, so good. Like I said, on 2 separate occasions, the bears have gone down around that area, and in both occasions, the bulls have quickly pushed the price back upwards. So we'll see if this is some sort of new bottom forming or not, and if the price can get things turned around. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.